Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to send emails with Apollo.io. Let's get started. First, go to Apollo.io, log in your account, and this will lead you to your Apollo dashboard. In here on the left panel, click on Emails. Then in the next tab, you can view all the emails you have. On the navigation menu, click on Templates. Then click on New Template on the far right of your screen. This will lead you to a new page where you will customize your own email template. On the right side, you have a template previewer. Start making your template by inputting in a name, browsing the folders, adding tags, subjects, and then finally the body of your mail. In the body, you have options to format your text, add links, pictures, files, and more. After you're done crafting an email, preview your email first in the template preview side. Then click on Save on the top right corner. After that, go back to your dashboard and click on Search from the left panel and look for the contact you want to send your email to. If you don't have contacts yet, click on this icon of a person with a plus sign on the far right. Then click on Just One Contact to add a contact. This pop-up will open where you need to add the necessary information for your contact. Then click on Save Contact up here once you're done. After that, you now have a contact. Next, choose the contact you want to send your email to. Click on this icon right here. Then click on Send Email from the drop-down. After that, you will be prompted to craft an email, but you may also choose to click on this Load Existing Templates option to view your templates. Then click on the template you want to send. Lastly, just click on Send Now down here. And that is how you can send emails with Apollo.io. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.